Welcome to the third video in the, I guess, the build series of my NC MX-5. Here it is. So there's been a few changes since last time. Last time all the cosmetics had been mostly done. Please forgive the car being heinously dirty and the phone video quality of this video, just because all my other stuff's flat, so my apologies. The car has been to AutoFX. Des and the boys down there do all my detailing and paint correction, and whilst it is heinously dirty, you can see that the shine is pretty high. This has been optics coated and paint corrected, so it's pretty sweet when it's clean. Probably the biggest change to the car is under the bonnet, which I will now demonstrate for you. In terms of the interior, we've got the AutoXE Recaro SPJ, and we've got the Cap Industries fire extinguisher, which I think is always good insurance for everyone with even a slightly modified car. So let's play the do I know where the bonnet release game is. Put my hand in the right spot. So many jokes. So there you have it. That is a Kraftwerks Rotrex supercharger kit. It has been installed by my mechanic Caleb here and tuned by C-Red, and it made a stunning 248 horsepower on their dyno. Now, before you say, well, that's not very much, the dyno reads generally sort of 10 to 15% lower than just about every other Dynamics dyno in Perth for some reason, and that's at the wheels. It's not at the hubs, it's not on a dyno jet or a Mustang, so I would say, you know, dyno jet horsepower probably about 300, at the hubs probably closer to 300, so yeah, it's got a bit of stick. It goes very well. I gotta say, I'm very, very happy with the way it goes. So there you have the Rotrex wine. So I've never actually had a car with a centrifugal supercharger before, and it's kind of strange to me the way the boost builds, just because obviously the harder you rev the car, the more boost it creates, and the closer you get to redline, the more it accelerates. So rather than it sort of tiring at the top of the rev range, it's actually charging pretty hard. So unless I'm paying attention, it's bouncing off the limiter. But yeah, so this is just a short video just to update on the supercharger situation, and there'll be some driving videos soon once I sort out all my equipment. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for some more cars that are coming into the shed and a few that are leaving. So thanks very much.